Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video on Cú-Chulainn driving lessons Cork.ie. Now, we're going to do a little video this evening on a document which might help some of you who are preparing for your driving test. Here we have Google, and if we key in standard procedures for conducting driving tests, the results show on the first heading there, the standard procedures for conducting the driving test. So let's have a look at this. This booklet is from the RSA, okay, and it's a good booklet for people to have a look at when they're coming up to the driving test. So let's click on it now and see what's inside. Here we are, and this version of the booklet of standard procedures for conducting the driving test. As you can see, it's the latest version of the book, and it's from October 2013. That's when this booklet was last updated. It's the online version, so they would have a more online version, online. It would be most up to date. So let's have a look here on the table of contents. Just make it bigger. They go on here about basic standard procedures for conducting driving tests. They give a little note on that, an overall note. Talks about meeting the applicant, the learner permit checks they do, make sure that that there's no impersonation going on at the day of the test. Talks about essential driver training, evidence of motorcycle power output if you're doing a motorbike test, candidate declaration, you must sign that, oral test, and what to do with the vehicle. Then it goes through the practical part of the test, the decision that's made on the day at the end of your test, and then any verbal feedback. It explains what they should do there as well. Okay. Other information in this booklet too, and you can see the pages where the information is over here. A deferred decision, if they don't know whether they'll actually be able to pass or not on the day, might depend on something. Information that is on page 13. Dangerous driving, what to do if they get somebody in the driving test who actually drives dangerously. Obviously, they'll bring him back maybe straight away. To the test center, interpreter, how an interpreter works in the test. If the test is abandoned or not conducted, what they're supposed to do if there's collision. And also speaks about an official accompanying tester. That's probably a supervisor tester, possibly, who would be checking the tester during the test. And that's on page 15. And then it goes through additional procedures for particular categories of driving license tests. Here we are. And then it goes through about what's involved in CPC as well. That's for bus and truck drivers. And there's other information there as well as we go along, which is all useful to see. It talks about L plates, late arrivals for the tests. Okay, the lenses in the car, the mirrors representing the vehicles, the route distance you'd be going on, and the duration of the test. If somebody's sick, explains it here. What to do, and signatures as well, because people sign things at the end of the test. So just a quick look through it here. As your preface, application of standards for practical test. Standards, there we are, look. So just a quick flick through it there. Let's do the learner permit. So if your permit was out of date, they would tell you that there, look, sorry, I'm not permitted to conduct your test because your permit is, for example, out of date, not valid, or not for the category of vehicle you propose to use in the test. So there's a lot of information there, suspected impersonation, what they should do, and so on, as I was saying. They check license codes, evidence of motorcycle, power output, exactly. Candidate's declaration then, that's only for that there is only for motorbike people, as I was saying here. Okay. Then candidate declaration and so on. And there's a lot of pages there, lads, as to how a tester would carry out a test. Turnabout maneuver, what they say to do the maneuver, the reverse the same, the hand signals, the hill start test, hill start part of the test, parking, and then what they tell you at the end of the test. Okay? And then what the decision, if it's a fair result, what they do, what the verbal feedback they give you, if it's the fair decision, dangerous driving, as I said, it's all there, folks. So all the information is there. Okay? So it goes on and on and on for about 30 or 40 pages, I think. 36 pages in all, yeah. Okay. So have a read of that, folks. It might help you understand how the test is conducted and, help you along with your driving test. So, folks, if you like the video, please do click the like button, subscribe to our channel. We like the people subscribing to our channel to help them along with their driving. So until next time, folks, that's all for the moment. Bye for now.